Hello dear friends. Now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Affordable Blender Review. Number 1. Instant Pot Blender. Ace Nova Electric Stovetop 1500 Watt Blender with one-touch function. Hot and cold. 12 smoothie/soup programs. 56 Oz. 1.6L pitcher, 1000 watts, 9 one-touch programs, smoothie, ice crush, fruit and vegetable, soup, ice cream, grind coffee, drink, baby food, and puree, 56 Oz, 1.6L pitcher, 12 smoothie/soup programs, smoothie, ice crush, fruit and vegetable, soup, ice cream, grind coffee, drink, baby food, puree, and chop. Pitcher and lid are made from BPA-free, safe to consume from, and microwave-safe material. Automatic shut-off, dishwasher-safe. This blender's motor is powerful enough to grind nuts, coffee beans, and many more. Blending jar is made of tri material, food-safe and BPA-free. The Instant Pot Ace Nova is easy to clean, dishwasher-safe and more convenient to use. Lightweight and compact design, easy to carry around. Stainless steel blade and stainless steel jars. 5-year limited warranty. Number 2. KitchenAid KITCHENAID 1575 CB Blender. The KitchenAid Diamond Blender is the perfect blend of form and function. A contemporary look is a welcome addition to any modern kitchen. The stainless steel blade and stem are designed to pulverize even the toughest ingredients with ease. The strong and efficient high-speed motor is ideal for blending smoothies, juices, purees, soups and more. A 5-speed dial allows you to finely tune the texture. The blender's easy to clean. Removable 60-ounce pitcher and pulse action work bowl makes meal preparation quick and easy. Be prepared to be constantly asked, "Where did you get that blender?" Number 3. CLEANDLEND Commercial Blender. The CLEANDLEND Professional Blender has a 1800 watt motor, which gives it the power to crush ice, fruits, vegetables, and frozen desserts. It has a stainless steel blade and a 64-ounce container with a secure lid. There is also a tamper tool and a cleaning brush to help make the blender easy to use. The blender is splash-proof, so it is safe to use in the kitchen. The blender also has a jar that is dishwasher-safe. The blender is a great addition to any kitchen, home, or office. If you have been looking for a blender that can create smoothies, shakes, and other frozen desserts, then you need to purchase the CLEANDLEND WB64Y1 Professional Blender. Number 4. NUTRIBULLET NBF 50520 Blender. The NUTRIBULLET NBF 50520 Touch Blender is the ultimate kitchen tool for creating nutrient-rich, tasty drinks from your favorite fruits and vegetables in a fraction of the time of a regular blender. This fantastic kitchen tool is available in both silver and black, and is sure to produce superior nutrient drinks for you and your family. The NUTRIBULLET NBF 50520 Touch Blender includes many parts to ensure your smoothie is perfect. The easy twist power extractor blade easily pulverizes fruits, vegetables and seeds for natural extracts, with the addition of a locking lid with a pour spout to prevent spills, a tamper to press your ingredients into the blades, a 32-ounce cup with a comfort lip ring, a 20-ounce travel cup with a flip cap, a recipe guide and more. As an added bonus, if you're looking for a healthier lifestyle, this blender comes with a 1-year money-back guarantee, a 1-year limited warranty, and customer support. With one of these NutriBullets in your kitchen, all of your smoothie dreams are sure to come true. Number 5. VITAMIX EXPLORIAN Blender. The VITAMIX EXPLORIAN F310 EXPLORIAN Blender is ready to revolutionize your kitchen. Equipped with a 64-ounce container and 2 preset programs, this blender will whip up everything you need with ease. The personal smoothie program blends your favorite fruits and vegetables with the perfect amount of water to create smoothies you'll love. The perfect frozen dessert program blends your favorite ice cream or yogurt with delicious ingredients to create frozen creations your family will enjoy. The pre-programmed 5-speed settings and built-in timer are easy to operate, and digital display shows the time remaining during blending. The 5-point blade is made from stainless steel, providing the optimal blending speed to create smooth results. The F310 also features a dishwasher-safe, BPA-free machine that was created to be strong, durable, and powerful. This machine is compatible with all VITAMIX accessories and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Thanks for watching my video.